Hello, this is Vasimula and welcome to my channel, that is Vasimula Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of 3dsmax I will show you how to model or how to design a lamp, which is a light, you can say it, a lamp which we keep at night when we off the lights, main lights. So a lamp I will design for it to you guys. So do subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest videos notification. So let's jump into the Remax. I will use line and I will use cone to make a lamp. Drag in a front view. I'm dragging in a front view a line. Now I have clicked on coming to the parameters of the line, select the vertex, and now with select and move tool select this vertex and go to the geometry options, geometry. From here go to the fillet. As I have told you that you can do manually also by calculating directly typing the numbers, and you can do by moving the cursor on the front view. As you can see the plus point mark and make it as curve it. Now select the vertex. Now go to the vertex level, select from here refine, make it as a refine to add extra vertex. Drag this vertex to this one level, to this end. Now apply lathe modifier. Now from here default option select faces. Now from here select click go to the parameters of the now go to the material editor, compact material editor, apply material, go to the standard, select from here MTL, and from here select now drag a cone make it smaller in size. This much is make it scale and make it less. Go to the axis and lathe now to this material I will apply now to this the top side of the lamp I will apply material. Coming to the compact material, first make it edit poly, apply edit poly modifier, select the polygon in edit poly, select make it as material ID1,